Today, I'll walk you through how to sign into your Google Maps account on desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your Google Maps account so you can easily save locations and access personalized recommendations. To get started, the first step is to open Google Maps from your desktop. You can do this by typing Google Maps into your web browser's address bar or simply searching for it. Once the page loads, you should see the familiar map interface. Now that you have Google Maps open, the next step is to sign in. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you will see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that button. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface. Once you click Sign In, a new window will pop up asking for your Google account credentials. Here, you will need to enter your email address associated with your Google account. After entering your email, click Next. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully and then click Next again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to complete that step as well. Once you have successfully entered your credentials, you should be signed into your Google Maps account. You will notice that the interface may now display your profile icon in the top right corner, indicating that you are logged in. Congratulations! You have successfully signed into your Google Maps account on desktop. Now you can save your favorite locations, create lists, and access personalized maps tailored to your preferences. If you ever need to sign out, simply click on your profile icon and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.